This is a maintenance video for how to change your battery on the Eclipse GTEK. You'll need a 2mm driver. Turn the marker over so you have access to the right hand side of the grips and remove 2 grip screws. Open up the grips, you'll see the battery inside. Use the finger tab location there, remove the battery, unplug the battery. If there's any paint or debris inside the frame, now is a good time to take a microfiber cloth, wipe any excess paint, moisture or debris from the inside. Take your new battery, will only connect on one way, clip it back on, place the terminal into the pocket first, followed by the top, and then make sure the wires are pushed out of the way inside the frame. Once the wires are securely located inside the pocket in the frame, close up the grips, take the 2 screws and place them back into the holes in the frame. Finally, check that the marker powers up, powers down. The job is complete.